Welcome to Learning English at Home. Today, you'll learn real English conversations while shopping for clothes, from finding the right size to trying outfits, asking for discounts, and making returns. You'll speak with confidence every time you shop. Learning tip: listen carefully, repeat each line aloud, and practice speaking with natural rhythm. If you enjoy learning this way, don't forget to follow, like, and share. Let's start your shopping English journey together. Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course, ma'am. What are you looking for today?
I'm looking for a t-shirt, something casual but comfortable.
Sure. We have new arrivals just over here. Do you prefer short or long sleeves?
Short sleeves, please. It's quite warm these days.
No problem. What color would you like?
Maybe blue or white.
Here's a nice cotton t-shirt in blue. It's one of our best sellers.
Oh, that looks good. Do you have this in size M?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thanks. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are just over there on your left.
A few minutes later. Excuse me, again. It fits well, but it feels a bit tight around the shoulders.
No problem. Would you like to try size L instead?
Yes, please.
Here's the large size. This one might be more comfortable.
Yes, this one fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Excellent choice. Would you like to check out now?
Yes, please.
Great. You can pay at the counter over there.
Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure, ma'am. Enjoy your new t-shirt and have a wonderful day.
You too. Thanks.
Key phrases you learned today.
Asking for help.
Excuse me. Could you help me, please? I'm looking for a t-shirt. Do you have this in size M? Can I try it on?
Talking about fit.
It feels a bit tight around the shoulders. This one fits perfectly. I'll take it.
At the counter.
Would you like to check out now? You can pay at the counter over there.
Excuse me, could I try this dress on, please?
Of course, ma'am. The fitting rooms are at the back of the store, just past the handbags.
Thank you. Do I need a ticket for the fitting room?
Yes, please. I'll give you one. How many items are you trying today?
Just 2. This dress and a blouse.
All right. Here is your ticket. Please let me know if you need another size.
A few minutes later, inside the fitting room. Excuse me?
Yes, ma'am?
This dress is lovely, but it's a bit tight around the waist. Do you have it in a larger size?
Certainly. What size are you trying now?
Size M. I think I need size L.
No problem. I'll bring you one right away. Here you go. Size L. Would you like to try it?
Yes, thank you. The woman tries it on. Oh, this one feels much better. Comfortable and not too loose.
That's great. The color suits you very well.
Really? I wasn't sure about the pink at first, but it looks nice.
Yes, it's one of our most popular colors this season.
The woman steps out to check the mirror. I think I'll take this dress. How much is it?
It's $59.99, but there's a 10% discount today.
Oh, that's good. And this blouse? Is it on sale too?
Yes, it's 20% off. Would you like to take both?
Yes, please. I'll take both items.
Wonderful. You can pay at the counter.
Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure, ma'am. Enjoy your new clothes and have a lovely day.
You too, thanks.
Key phrases you learned today.
Asking for help.
Could I try this on, please? Do I need a fitting room ticket? Please let me know if you need another size.
Describing fit.
It's a bit tight around the waist. This one feels much better. The color suits you very well.
Payment.
Is this on sale too? You can pay at the counter. Enjoy your new clothes.
Excuse me, Could you tell me how much this jacket is?
Certainly, madam. That one is $89.99.
Oh, I see. Is it made of real leather?
It's faux leather, but it's very good quality and waterproof.
It looks nice. Is there any discount on this today?
Yes, ma'am. We're having a 15% weekend sale. The discount will be applied automatically at the counter.
Oh, that's great. And does this jacket come in other colors?
Yes, it also comes in black, beige, and burgundy. Would you like to see them?
Yes, please. I think beige might look better. The man brings a beige jacket.
Here you are, madam. This one is our most popular color this season.
I like it. It feels soft and light.
It fits you perfectly. The beige really suits your skin tone.
Thank you. I'll take this one. They walk to the counter.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Can I pay by credit card?
Of course. We also accept contactless or mobile payment if you prefer.
Great. I'll tap my card then.
She pays. Thank you. Here's your receipt and your discount details. You've saved about $13.50 today.
That's wonderful. Do you have a loyalty card or membership program?
Yes, if you register online, you'll get 5% off your next purchase.
Perfect. I'll sign up later.
Excellent. Would you like your jacket in a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go, ma'am. Thank you for shopping with us.
My pleasure. Have a nice day.
You too.
Key phrases you learned today.
Asking about price and discount.
How much is this jacket? Is there any discount today? Does it come in other colors? The discount will be applied automatically.
Payment.
Would you like to pay by cash or card? We also accept contactless or mobile payment if you prefer. You've saved $13.50 today. After payment, do you have a loyalty card? You'll get 5% off your next purchase. Hello, excuse me. I bought this shirt yesterday, but it's a bit too small for me.
I see. No problem, madam. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. May I check the shirt, please?
Sure, here you go.
The man looks at the shirt carefully. It's in perfect condition. Would you like to exchange it for a larger size or get a refund?
I'd like to exchange it for a larger size, please.
All right. What size would you like? Medium or large?
Large, please.
Okay. Let me check our stock. Yes, we have it available in large. Would you prefer the same color or would you like to try another one?
Maybe another color. Do you have it in navy blue?
Yes, we do. I'll bring it for you. A few minutes later. Here's the same shirt in large navy blue.
Oh, that looks nice. Can I try it on before exchanging?
Of course. The fitting room is just to your right. After trying it on.
This one fits perfectly. I'll take it, please.
Wonderful. I'll process the exchange. You just need to sign here.
Done. Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure, madam. Here's your new receipt and exchange slip.
Great. Out of curiosity, how long do I have to return items in the future?
You can return or exchange within 14 days as long as the item is unused and you have the receipt.
That's very clear. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Have a lovely day and enjoy your new shirt.
Thanks, you too.
Key phrases you learned today.
Requesting help.
I bought this yesterday, but it's too small.
Do you have the receipt with you?
Would you like an exchange or refund?
During exchange.
Do you have it in another color?
Can I try it on before exchanging?
You just need to sign here.
Store policy.
You can return or exchange within 14 days as long as the item is unused and you have the receipt.
Great job, everyone! You've just learned real English for shopping, from asking for sizes and trying on clothes to talking about prices, discounts, and returns. Learning tip: Keep practicing by listening again and repeating each line aloud. Confidence comes from speaking a little every single day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please follow, like, and share to help more people learn English with you. See you in the next video. Let's keep learning English at home together.